Actually, it wasn't a small screen debut. It was working with Vipul Shah. He's directing this show. He's making it on an as big scale as you would be making a film. So for me, it was being part of a really big film, which being part of actually 3 big films, because shooting this entire thing is equal to doing 3 movies, I think. I thought that I've not played something like this before, so I was very happy that someone's offered me this role, because I've not done anything like this before. I've usually played like serious characters. So something like this, being fun and spontaneous and energetic, I thought I should be part of this and play this. I'm Aarti, I'm a journalist, so I'm trying to be like you guys. I bring in the lighter moments in the show, the romance, and I'm this very spontaneous, very brave character. In fact, like, she's the one who tries to propose to the boy's character. The guy he's an army officer and everything, but in these pyar ke matters, he's very lallu, and he cannot bring himself to tell the girl that he likes her. So I have taken it up on my character self. I will decide to tell him. I will decide to propose. And it just so happens that every time I try to propose to him, something happens, and either he gets a call, he has to go on mission, or it just never works out. So I think those episodes are quite fun. The audience will be very entertained. He's also not done fiction on television before, so for both of us it was a debut on television. He's an awesome co-star. He's lots of fun, he's crazy, and he's very inspiring to work with, because he never says no to any of the stuff that's told to him. Like, jump from the 10th floor and he's there, hang from this cliff, jump over this. He never says no. He's always game for it, and even after an extremely strenuous day, he's still smiling, still cracking jokes. So it's really nice to work with someone like that.
मेरे लिए टेलीविज़न एक ऐसा ज़रिया है जहाँ पे जो पहली बार मैं लाइफ में कैमरा के सामने आया, तो मैं टीवी पे ही आया था मैं. सो जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम में अगर आ गया तो मेरे लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा और प्रोग्राम के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा, तो मैं उस तरह से जब कास्टिंग की बात आती है या किसी, तो देन आई सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो पुकार जो है चूँकि मैं केमियोज मुझे अच्छा लगता है, टीवी पे आके थोड़ा सा केमियोज करके चला जाना अच्छा लगता है मुझे. लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे तो क्या ज़रूरत है टीवी करने की, ना, पर मुझे ज़रूरत महसूस होती है मुझे, क्योंकि जो मुझे लगता है कि फिल्मों में काम कर करके एक्टर जो है बहुत लेज़ी हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि हर एक्टर को जो है कुछ ना कुछ टेलीविज़न हर साल में एक बार कर ही लेना चाहिए, ताकि वो अपना जो एक लेजीनेस होता है कि हाँ हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे. आपको जब 10-10 सीन करने पड़ते हैं ना, 3-3 पेज के टाइप रिटन सीन आपको जब करने पड़ते हैं, तो तब रियली छठी का दूध याद आता है, नानी याद आती है, और जब ये सब लोग याद आते हैं तो आप अच्छे एक्टर और हो जाते हो, तो वो याद दिलाता है आपको ये टेलीविज़न. इसलिए मैं बीच में करता हूँ. आई थिंक फ्रॉम एन एक्टर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरे को बहुत सारा फ्रीडम है यहाँ पर, और चूँकि विपुल और देवन दोनों अभी दोस्त भी हैं, तो हम लोग का एक सेट पे भी रैपो काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, और हम लोग सब इसको एक ऐसा एक प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ मानते हैं कि अभी फ़िलहाल और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. मोबाइल साइलेंट है, वैन में मोबाइल है, मैं शूटिंग पे जाता हूँ, तो उस तरह से हम लोग काम करते हैं. तो द अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट वी ऑल हैव विद ईच अदर, उसकी वजह से टाइम वेस्ट बहुत कम होता है. सबको अपना अपना काम फटाफट मालूम होता है कि हाँ ये करना, ये करना, ये करना. सो इट्स कॉल्ड अ डिसिप्लिन वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट थिंग्स हियर.
Small screen is not new to me. I happen to be the person who started the trend of daily soaps in India. My show Ek Mahal Ho Sapnon Ka was the first daily soap of Indian TV. So it's not new to me. My show was also the first show to complete 1000 episodes. So TV is not new to me. I have been a product of TV, then went into films. And since then, the Indian TV scene has been dominated by daily soaps. But I think now that audience has started demanding for a change, and it looks like that TV is going to change, and miniseries are going to become the way forward. And so I thought I should be at the beginning of the change. I should take the risk and be really at the beginning of the change. And so I decided to do this show, and that's how I made it. 24 was a fantastic show, and what Mr. Anil Kapoor achieved out of that show was phenomenal. And now it is our job, our duty, our responsibility to try and take it one step forward, and that is what we will try. I'll tell you, when I showed the episodes to a lot of journalists and a lot of friends, one common comment that I got was, okay, put some songs and release it as a film. This doesn't look like TV, and this looks massive, this looks big, this looks new. Just add songs and put it as a film, it will do well as a film also. I think that was the best compliment. I've got lots of comments on my holiday page where I've put the link of this particular trailer, and they are saying that they are really looking forward to this because it's looking different and it is looking like a film and it's looking very interesting. But I have to just wait and see how they react to the episode. So I'm waiting for that.